So I know earlier I said when you're hooking up your pressure switch, you use a woman's file, break the little end off that's got the little clean out thingy for underneath the fingernails. But this will give me the ability to match the pressure switch contacts now that I'm in here and I have the opportunity. As you can see, I got the well set on its cap, two-piece cap, and it's being it's hard to explain, but it's not going anywhere. And that's an exhaust clamp off of a Volkswagen Carmen Ghia. I'm not sure why they used a long radius elbow for the original install, but when I bought the place, there was a hose clamp around where that exhaust clamp is, but it's sharing the load across both plates. But let me get you in this stand here and let's do some port matching. It's dark in there. Huh. Wonder if I zoom in. That might be helpful. Let me hop down in there and not be in your way. Try not to be. Get this out of the way for now. I don't know what to do with it. Yeah, maybe it'll stay there. Let's tilt you a little bit. Yeah. Make sure your breaker is off, which I have. And I'm going to clean my contacts on my pressure switch. Well, that's great. Let's just see if I can tie this off. You pain in the booger. Okay. If you ever want to test your pressure switch to see if you're getting power, just use your cover. I learned that from H2O mechanic. I don't know why I didn't think of that. But here I go. I'm going in between the contacts and I'm cleaning them up. Get each one. I bet you can't see anything because of my paws are in the way. I'm keep pressure on the movable part of your contacts as you scrape up and down. What will happen is you'll face match. You'll not only clean the burned spots off, but you're cutting both contacts on the same plane so that when they land together, they're a tighter fit. You get lots of room in there to go up and down. What's happening over here? All right, that's good enough. Got that. When you wire up your pressure switch, this is your opportunity to start developing a wiring scheme. So the This is backwards from the way I like it, but these 2 points here are electrically the same point. Power loops through the contacts. So it comes from the house on the outside, and then the inside, power comes in, travels across, and comes out and goes to the well pump. Power goes from the outside, loops through the contacts, and comes out this screw terminal to the well pump. And then this is the ground right here. Since I'm a 2-wire system, so I'm going to end up having a, I've denoted my yellow wire as my ground. The reason why I did that is because it's somewhat synonymous with CSA wiring, European wiring, and USA wiring, where you've got a yellow with a green stripe. Yellow is a grounding conductor, and red-black denotes leg 1 is black and leg 2 would be red in a properly wired 120 240 volt sub panel. But a lot of people just use 2 blacks coming in. And if this was 120 208 3-phase, it'd be black, red, blue. But it's not. But it's following the 120 240 volt color code. Black is line 1, red is line 2. So I decided to use the yellow as my ground. And normally what I would do is I might end up doing this anyway. I may move this from the house to the inside and this other wire, the black one, from the outside to the inside. That way when I look at the pressure switch, the 2 outside legs are my output. It's just a logical way of thinking. The output. The outer legs are out. The inner are input. They rhyme. So I'm probably going to end up moving these when I connect the pressure switch. Yep, I farted on YouTube.
Well, that happens.
Oh, look at the little baby egg.
I was going to try and peel it.
I don't want to eat it.
Well, no, I thought that we would look at it and see if there's anything inside. Like
Let's see what the baby egg looks like.
I was going to peel
Go ahead,
it.
honey. It's a dinky little egg.
I don't think there's a yolk. Nope.
Nope, that was a little dinky egg from a full-grown hen.
Well, I think it's her participation egg.
First egg.
First
Alrighty, guys. Hang tight. Alright. I've turned the breaker on, and I've let some water come out. And my pressure switch engaged and killed power to the pump. We're going to let this run till it clears. I better put the cover on the pressure switch. Where is my cover? Can I have my pressure switch cover, please?
Yeah.
It's getting wet.
Hold on, I had to locate it.
I think I need to, hang on. There's a cat about to get wet.
Nope.
We got the engine stand out of the way. I'll turn the water spigot on. There it goes. This is one of the chickens' drinking holes that I fill up for them when they come on this side of the yard. I'm watching my pressure switch. I think it's coming down about 50 now. I think it says 40. It's 20, 40, and 60. Seems like it's running pretty good. Alrighty, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. See ya. Hope you guys enjoyed. See ya. Bye. Say bye.